Huh, no kidding. Yeah, that class is loaded. Alright. Shall we do the innovation? I think we shall. Here we go. 12-13 Innovation Basketball, number 44. Oh, almost forgot about the Kobe pack. Good luck, everyone. Who got the Lakers? Joe AQU getting the Kobe pack. We got 5 Kobe's. Raymond Felton. Kyle Lowry. Blake Griffin, the gray border. 288 of 349 for the Clippers. Kevin, P-E-R. Wow. Can't even read that. I have no idea. Marcin Gortat. Stained glass. That is terrible. Oh, there. Now you can read it really well there. Gustavo Ayen. Innovative Ink rookie auto. Is not numbered. Going to the Bucks. Reggie. G-I-E. Right? Yeah, imagine pulling a Kershaw auto and not being able to get it. Joel Anthony, fine print auto. Not numbered, going to the Heat. Jose, F-O-R. Could you guys read it just fine the whole time I'm holding it there? Ooh, what's this? Oh, just a jersey. Kevin Durant. Nice jersey, 7 of 99. For the Thunder, Brian, T-H-O. And Marshawn Brooks. 30 of 99. Looks like a chunk of the ball. Rookie basketballs. Going to the Nets. Stephanie, EDG. That's pretty sweet. Last card, Derek Williams. Gray border. 96 of 349. Going to the T-Wolves, Kevin, P-E-R. There you go. That will do it for Innovation 44.